Fender and rear rack installation of Avadar e-bike. Begin by putting the e-bike upside down and put a sponge under the LCD to prevent it from being damaged. Step 1. Install the front fender. The front fender has 3 fixed positions. One position is fixed to the front fork beam column shared with the headlights, and the other 2 are fixed to the front fork legs. Use the reserved screw holes. Install according to the corresponding position and use tools to tighten the screws. Step 2. Install the rear fender and rear rack. Loosen the quick release of the rear wheel and remove the rear wheel. There are 4 fixed positions on the rear fender and the rear rack. Install the screws in sequence according to the installation sequence in the video, and finally tighten them with tools. Attach the rear wheel and lock the quick release. Step 3. Turn the e-bike over. Turn the e-bike over and use the tool to double-check the lock-in of each fixed point again. Finally, check the stability of the front fender, rear fender, and rear rack, and the installation is complete.